Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use COUNTIF function in Excel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Excel, and here you can see a range of data. So the first step you need to enter is equal to and enter COUNTIF, hit on tab, and then you need to select the range. So this is the range that I want to check. Okay, and then you need to enter comma and enter the criteria. So that is my criteria, and you need to close the bracket and hit on enter through check. So you can see that the value is 3 because my criteria is 2000 and I have that is 1, that is second, and that is third 2000. So this is a simple process by which you can apply COUNTIF function in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.